This is the tutorial on how to perform and confirm doctor's review from the services page. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Now, we have logged in as the doctor. To perform a review, click on the services page. We can see here that there is a doctor's review scheduled for today. Click Perform. Fill in the doctor's review note. Click Save. Doctor review has now been created. Now let us go back to the services page. We can see the status of the doctor's review are now performed. Now, let's look at a different scenario. We have logged in as a doctor. As a doctor, we want to perform the review from the clinical notes, rather than from the services page. In the clinical notes, add the notes for PIC review. Fill in the notes for the review. Click Save. We can now see that the PIC review has been successfully created in the clinical notes. Next, let's see how the nurses confirm the doctor's review. We have now logged in as a nurse. Click on the services page. Here, we can see that the doctor's review status are still pending. Click on Confirm Review. A prompt box will appear. Fill in the notes for the review. Click Save. Now, we can see that the status of the review is changed to Performed. We can also view the notes here. Thank you for watching. Here are some video suggestions that you can also watch.